Dun, dun, dun. Hello, mathematicians. We are almost at the end of level 11 math. We've been practicing subtraction using different strategies, and today is your lucky day because you get to choose whatever strategy you want to solve these subtraction problems. There are so many different ways we can solve these problems. I'm going to show you a couple just to refresh your memory, even though you already know. I know you do. You can solve the problems however you feel. Our first problem we're going to look at is 60 take away 40. Well, I can use addition to solve subtraction problems, just like fact families, remember? So I'm going to start at 40 and count to 60. 40, 50, 60. Now, I have two tens, two groups of 10. So that must mean 60 take away 40 is 20. Another way I can show that is by drawing sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Take away 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. That leaves me 20. Two tens is the same thing as 20. I can use a number line, and I can do my number line in two different ways. So I'm going to show you two different ways. I can start at 40 and jump to 60, 40, 50, 60. How many jumps do I have? You guessed it, 2. That means 20. I added 20 to get to 60. Or I could start at 60 and jump back in time 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Well, what comes before 60? 50, 40, 30, and 20. Wow, I just used 3 different strategies to find this subtraction problem. The last one, if you have a hundreds chart available to you, you can always use a hundreds chart and count back in time, go up the column to see what your answer will be if you take away. Now, this is going to be super easy today, a good review of the many ways you can use strategies to practice subtraction. So I won't keep you too long, so you can get started on your quick check. Let's try 40 take away 20. 10, 20, 30, 40. Take away 10, 20. And I've got 2 left. That means I've got 2 tens. My answer must be 20. Another way is I could count up. 20, 30, 40. That's 2 tens again, same as 20. So I've checked my work 2 different ways. That's your goal today. I want you to use at least 2 strategies on your own paper, writing down your work so that you can make sure that you've gotten the right answer during your quick check. You should always show your work. Now let's try 80 take away 60. Well, I can draw 8 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Wow, that's a lot of 10 sticks. And I can take away 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. That leaves me 2 10 sticks. How much is that? 10, 20. Good job. Now I can always count up. 60, count up to 80. 60, 70, 80. 2 tens, that must be 20. I checked my work 2 ways, and I did my strategies on paper so I can move on. 74 take away 10. Ooh, this one's different because it has a number in the ones place. But that doesn't matter because when we take away 10, we know that the ones place does not change. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away 1 10 stick, and I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 4. Another way I can check my work is to go to the tens place and decide what comes before. What is 10 less than 74? 1 less than 7 is 6, so double checked my answer, 64. One more and I'll let you be on your way. 80 take away 40. I can start at 40 and count up to 80, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I have 4 tens here. How much is that worth? 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, I don't ever just want to make sure that I've gotten it right without drawing some work. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Take away 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's see, I still have 4 10 sticks left. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I've proved my work. Now, you should always be drawing, using your strategies, drawing pictures, counting up and adding to subtract when you are working on your quick checks. Remember, I'm watching.